In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WooCommerce products to Facebook Shop. In order to do this, first head over to woocommerce.com and click on the Start Here option in order to create an account, or click on this login option in order to log into one. Now, we will use WordPress to host WooCommerce, so head over to wordpress.com and do the same thing by clicking on this Get Started or clicking on Login. Now, I already have an account on both, so let me head over and log in. Now in here, we can see our actual WordPress. Now in this, what we can do is we first need to install Facebook for WooCommerce plugin. We can head over right here to the plugins option and click on this add plugin. And then after that, just wait for this to load and let's head over and search for Facebook. Head over and click on the search bar and search in here for Facebook. And then once you have searched for that, head over and install this Facebook for WooCommerce option. Once you have clicked on it, head over and click on this install and activate. Once it's been installed, next thing you need to do is to head over and initiate the setup. Head over right here to the marketing option on your WordPress, and in here, click on Facebook. Now from in there, head over and then click on this get started option. So click on this, and then wait for this to load. Head over and continue on your Facebook account, and then click on next. Confirm the settings and continue. After that, click on next again, and then this will link your account together. So from in there, this should be able to link it, and then just wait for this to be linked. And in here, you should be able to grant permissions and configure by adding your products from your Facebook and then creating an ad as well into this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.